Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you what I got in my Goodwill mystery boxes. So I purchased 2 Goodwill mystery boxes. Last week I purchased the denim box and the women's apparel box. So for the denim box I paid 20 bucks or $19.99, and then the women's box was $24.99. So I just got them in the mail today. Today is April 2nd. I actually just got an email last night saying that any mystery box that was purchased this week, they have to cancel because Florida is on lockdown now. So I guess they've shut down their warehouse there. That's where all the mystery boxes ship out of. They ship out of Florida. So I'm glad I purchased last week. Or am I? You'll hear my thoughts on this box. We'll link the website down below, but I honestly don't know when you'll be able to purchase one again, which kind of sucks because I was kind of like hoping that this would be a new sourcing way for me, but doesn't look like it. So, all right, let's get into the box. I actually still have some things in the dryer now. So I'm hoping I can just kind of like take my time, and by the time I'm done showing you what I got, those will be dry. They came in one box, which I thought was kind of weird. So everything's mixed up, so I'm just gonna show you guys just what I pick out of the pile. Okay, this honestly might be my favorite thing from the box, is this Betsy Johnson mini backpack. How cute is this? This is really cute. It looks to be in really good condition. There's no like rips or anything like that. That's what it looks like on the inside. This was obviously in the denim box. This is from Hollister. This is a jean skirt. It's size 1. I don't know if that's like an old tag. Does that look like an old Hollister tag? I don't shop at Hollister, so I don't know. I don't know, but here it is. Denim mini skirt. There's the back, and again, oh, I thought there was a rip right there, but there's not. Size 1. I have another denim skirt, and this says PacSun Los Angeles. I didn't know PacSun had their own brand. I didn't know that. But this is a size 28. This is actually kind of cute with the little red and green and white stripes on the side. Looks like that. And then on the back there, I didn't know PacSun had their own brand. Has that been like that for a while? I haven't shopped at PacSun since like high school, I think. Was PacSun around when I was in high school? What year is it? Oh my gosh. I'm not even gonna tell you how many years ago I graduated high school. Not even gonna go there. Let's just say my 20th is coming up. Holy shit. I haven't looked up comps on any of these things. This isn't like a true unboxing because I did throw everything in the wash because I like to wash my stuff before I touch it. Okay, so these are interesting. Mesh USA. These are a size 14. Mesh USA. And it has like all these like embellishments on the jeans. That's what they look like. They're bootcut jeans. Mesh USA. Never heard of it. Paco Jeans. These are a size 11. Hold on, let me button them up. Oh, Paco Jeans. Holy shit. Right? Doesn't that say Paco? Yes, Paco Jeans. These are like these are like throwbacks, right? Paco still make jeans? I don't know. This is what they look like. These embellishments on them. These are also a boot cut, like a darker wash, kind of fading on the back here. Looks like you maybe sat in some white paint. This is Wrangler. Wrangler premium quality comfort flex denim shirt, 3XL. I don't know if this came in the denim box or the women's box. 3XL. I don't know. I'm gonna have to look it up. But it's just a denim shirt. Denim button-up shirt. How about some more denim? We have Loft Jeans. These are the modern trouser jeans, size 4. Let me button them. I think I got a couple of Loft pieces. I'll tell you my thoughts at the end of this video. So this is what they look like a darker wash, boot cut. The bum looks like that. This says DKNY jeans, but these are not jeans, but okay. These are a size 10. These are not jeans. So maybe they, I don't know if they put, I don't know what box this was in. Sorry, it all came together. But yeah, they got pockets, and then at the bottom here they have little ties. And then that's what the bum looks like. All right, then I have some dress pants. These are Loft. Loft Curvy Skinny, size 10. They're an olive green color. Look like that. These are nice. They got like little slits right there. The bum. Bermuda shorts from Izod. Stretch, size 10. They look like this. Dun, 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 dun. Color is really pretty. We have some Tommy Hilfiger pants. These are a size 10. There's black dress pants. Oh, they're cuffed on the bottom. The Tommy Hilfiger logo. Oh, I got, I didn't tell you guys, for the women's size box, I got size medium because they were all sold out. All they had was extra small when I went to order. So well, they had extra small and medium, so I chose medium. Oh, these are actually kind of cute. These are from GF. Not sure what brand that is. My camera won't focus, but it's like an X with a G and an F. I don't know, size medium. These are kind of cute. There's like faux leather here. These are kind of cute, actually. Look like this. That. Go like that. And the faux leather is just on the front. On the back is just like regular. This is from Jenny and Marlis. Never heard of it. Jenny and Marlis, size medium, 95% polyester, 5% spandex. Just this red shirt. Oh, there we go. It's got like little beads all over it. And then the back is just plain. Oh, we have a Steve Jobs turtleneck. A turtleneck, guys. Hold on, it's like inside out. Simply Styled, size medium. It's just a plain black, oh, hold on. Plain black turtleneck. What the heck? There we go. Steve Jobs turtleneck. This little tank top from Bella de Jour, size medium. It's got a bunch of sequins on it. Ooh, it's sparkly. It's actually kind of cute. It's like a high-low. That in the back is just black. It's definitely sheer. Looks like all the sequins are there. What's this? What the hell is this? 24/7? I can't read it. That's like really, that's really hard to read. Oh, it's Maurice's. I'm gonna do this. Hold up the sleeve like this. This is actually kind of cute. Has open shoulder or cold shoulder, whatever the hell you want to call it. There's like a little tie right there. This is actually kind of cute. That's kind of a cute shirt. More denim. These are Levi's signature straight jeans. These are very big, very big. They are 40 by 30. That's what, men's, by the way. That's what they look like. They look to be in really good condition though. These are, I knew it. I knew I was gonna get a pair of Gloria Vanderbilt jeans because they're everywhere. So these are Gloria Vanderbilt jeans. They are size 12. I feel like all Gloria Vanderbilt jeans look the same. Benelli Jeans. Never heard of them. They are size 36. We got a little button fly here. We're just button layout. So these have like a different print. You know, there's kind of like stripes. We got stripes here. Like that. 36. I don't know what the length is. I don't know what the length is. Just says 36. Don't know what the length is. Here's what the bum looks like. Here's that. Corduroy pants. These are Polo Ralph Lauren, size 6. They're like a, what color is that? Like a brownish, grayish color. Corduroy. This is Bermuda Sands. Wick Away Technology. This looks like a golf shirt, like a women's golf shirt, size medium. Let me zip it up a little bit. Yeah, just like a lightweight, it's like a golf shirt, like a golf polo shirt, really pretty blue color. This is, oh, we got an embellishment coming off. This is Helen Blake. Oh, the tag is ripping off. Helen Blake, size medium. Oh, this would be cute. Maybe I can probably sew that back on. There's one little like jewel coming off. This is cute. This is pretty. It's kind of pretty. Can you see the little jewels coming off? Oh wait, we got one more thing. What is this? It's a jacket. This is Activology, size medium. Yeah, it's just like a lightweight, like windbreaker type jacket. My camera, oh, there we go. I was like, my camera is not focusing. That's kind of cute. The sleeves zip off too. Let's see. My thoughts on these mystery boxes. You know, it's not really my style. It's definitely not the type of stuff that I sell in my closet. I mean, I sell denim, but you know, like the other pieces, you know, like the Izod shorts, and like the dress pants. I don't sell those type of things in my closet. I might list them. I'm definitely not going to list the plain black turtleneck because that's just like, yeah, I'm probably just going to donate that. I mean, I'm kind of disappointed. There are like a couple things, like the backpack's cute, and you know, a couple of pair of jeans I'll try to sell, and that shirt from Maurice's, but that's pretty much it. If this wasn't a mystery box, if I saw what was going to be in the box beforehand, I never would have purchased it, like, at all. But that's the whole point of a mystery box, you know, you take the gamble, and I took a gamble, and you know, I'm not completely happy with it. Unfortunately, if you are interested in purchasing one right now, you can't right now. You gotta wait until you know, coronavirus goes away, whenever the hell that will be. Hopefully it's sooner rather than later, because so that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed my unboxing video. If you guys are interested in any of the pieces you see, check out my Poshmark closet. I'm gonna put some things in there, and then some things I'm probably just gonna donate. But if there's something you see in this video and you like and it's not my Poshmark closet, just comment down below or contact me. We can work something out. I might just send it to you for free. If you're new to Poshmark and you want to sign up, you can use my code. It's KeepinItRad. You'll get a $10 credit, and I'll also get a $10 credit, so thank you. But yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video.